Welcome back to CyberYT, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we're diving deep into the world of iOS hacking with a look at the top must-have tools for 2024. Now, before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not condone or promote any illegal activities. With that out of the way, let's jump right into our list of the top 10 iOS hacking apps for 2024. First up, we have iRET, the iOS reverse engineering toolkit. Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for analyzing, understanding, and even modifying iOS applications. We're talking about disassemblers, debuggers, and tools to bypass jailbreak detection mechanisms. This toolkit is designed to be comprehensive, offering everything you need in one place. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for beginners. You don't need to be an expert to get started. When dealing with complex code, having a user-friendly tool can make a world of difference. It simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what really matters. iRET is constantly updated with new features and improvements. The team behind it is dedicated to keeping it cutting edge. The developers are active in the community, ensuring you always get the latest tools. They listen to user feedback and make necessary adjustments. Whether you're analyzing an app's security or tinkering with modifications, iRET is worth checking out. It's a must-have for anyone serious about iOS development and security. So if you're looking to dive deep into iOS applications, give iRET a try. It's a powerful ally in your reverse engineering journey. Next up, let's talk about Frida, a staple in mobile security research. Frida is a dynamic instrumentation toolkit that has become essential for security researchers and developers alike. Frida lets you inject scripts into running processes, enabling you to manipulate and inspect the inner workings of applications in real time. This gives you unparalleled control and insight into how software operates, allowing for deep analysis and understanding. It allows you to hook into an app, observe its behavior, and see how different parts of the code interact with each other. You can modify its logic on the fly, making changes that take effect immediately without needing to recompile the entire application. This is powerful for bypassing security checks, analyzing encrypted traffic, or understanding app interactions. With Frida, you can uncover vulnerabilities and test the security of applications more effectively. You can write scripts in JavaScript, which is a versatile and widely used language, making it accessible even if you're not an assembly language expert. This lowers the barrier to entry, allowing more people to take advantage of its powerful features. Frida works seamlessly with both emulators and actual devices, providing flexibility in how you choose to conduct your research or testing. The active community provides tons of resources, scripts, and tutorials. This collaborative environment helps you get started quickly and find solutions to complex problems. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or a beginner, Frida is invaluable. Its ease of use and powerful capabilities make it a must-have tool in the arsenal of anyone involved in mobile security research or development. Now, let's talk about Hopper, essential for diving into iOS app assembly code. Hopper disassembles compiled binary code into human-readable assembly language. This helps you understand an app at its most fundamental level. Hopper also provides powerful analysis tools like control flow graphs and cross-references. It's fast and efficient, even with large and complex apps. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate through complex codebases. Whether analyzing for vulnerabilities or reverse engineering, Hopper is essential. Hopper is a must-have for any iOS hacker or security researcher. Moving on, we have Burp Suite, synonymous with web application security testing. This powerful tool is a staple in the toolkit of any cybersecurity professional. It offers a range of features that make it indispensable for identifying and mitigating security risks in web applications. It's a must-have for finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in web services that iOS apps rely on. From automated scanning to manual testing, Burp Suite provides a comprehensive approach to uncovering hidden threats. Burp Suite acts as an intercepting proxy, giving you control over traffic between your device and the web server. This allows you to inspect and modify the data being sent and received, making it easier to identify potential security issues. This is crucial for identifying vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. These types of attacks can have devastating consequences if left unchecked, and Burp Suite provides the tools needed to detect and prevent them. It's a comprehensive suite for every stage of web app penetration testing. From initial reconnaissance to final reporting, Burp Suite streamlines the entire process, making it more efficient and effective. The extensibility allows for custom plugins, enhancing its functionality. This means you can tailor Burp Suite to meet your specific needs, whether you're focusing on a particular type of vulnerability or integrating it with other tools in your workflow. Whether testing a web API or learning about web security, Burp Suite is essential. Its user-friendly interface and extensive documentation make it accessible to both beginners and experienced professionals. It's a powerful tool for any security researcher. With its robust set of features and continuous updates, Burp Suite remains at the forefront of web application security, helping to keep the internet a safer place for everyone. Next, we have Cycript for real-time exploration and manipulation of running iOS applications. Cycript bridges JavaScript and Objective-C, allowing you to interact with an app's internal workings. You can use JavaScript syntax to access and manipulate objects, functions, and private APIs. Change variables, call private methods, or modify the UI in real time without recompiling. Cycript is lightweight and easy to set up on a jailbroken device or emulator. It offers unparalleled control and visibility into iOS apps. It's a powerful tool for dynamic analysis and debugging. For security researchers and developers, Cycript is invaluable. Let's talk about IDA Pro, the king of disassemblers in software reverse engineering. IDA Pro supports a vast array of processor architectures and file formats. Its advanced analysis capabilities include interactive disassemblers and powerful debuggers. The sophisticated graph view helps visualize program execution flow. The Pro version unlocks advanced debugging, scripting, and a vast library of plugins. While intimidating for beginners, its power and versatility are unmatched. IDA Pro is essential for any serious reverse engineer. Next up, we have Objection, built on Frida for intuitive runtime mobile exploration. Objection provides a structured way to interact with a running app. It simplifies common mobile security testing tasks with pre-built commands and scripts. Whether bypassing jailbreak detection or exploring data storage, Objection is efficient. It combines Frida's power with a user-friendly interface. Objection is a must-have for mobile application security. Now, let's talk about Clutch, handy for decrypting iOS applications. Clutch allows you to decrypt an app's binary on a jailbroken device. This gives access to unencrypted code for analysis using tools like IDA Pro or Hopper. Decrypting an app's binary opens up new possibilities for analysis and reverse engineering. Clutch requires a jailbroken device and should be used ethically and legally. For mobile security researchers, Clutch is valuable for understanding iOS applications. Next up, let's talk about Ghidra, a powerful reverse engineering suite developed by the NSA. Ghidra is multi-platform, free, and open source, making it a game changer. It offers features like disassemblers, decompilers, and a powerful scripting engine. The decompiler helps understand the logic and functionality of an application. Ghidra's open-source nature means a growing community and constant improvements. It's versatile and powerful for reverse engineering. Ghidra is accessible to everyone, from seasoned researchers to beginners. Finally, we have Cydia, synonymous with jailbreaking iOS devices. Cydia is an alternative app store for jailbroken devices. It offers tweaks, themes, and apps not found on the official App Store. Jailbreaking comes with risks like voiding warranties and security vulnerabilities. For those who understand the risks, Cydia is essential for exploring iOS devices. It's a key part of the jailbreaking experience. And there you have it, our top 10 iOS hacking apps for 2024. Remember, these are just a few of the many tools available out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CyberYT for more tech content. Stay safe and stay curious.